Student information systems hold some of the most sensitive data in a school district. But traditional SIS platforms weren't designed to detect modern cyber threats. When suspicious activity occurs, IT teams are often left reviewing logs manually. That process is time-consuming and makes it easy for real threats to go unnoticed. Securus360 integrates directly with Aeries SIS to change that. The integration delivers daily visibility of anomalous SIS activity. By combining advanced analytics with external threat intelligence, Securus360 uncovers suspicious behavior. This allows districts to respond faster and stop potential incidents before they escalate. Alerts are shared across SIS, administrators, and network teams, improving coordination and response. With Aeries integrated into Securus360, districts gain broader visibility across critical systems. The result is stronger protection for student data and a more proactive cybersecurity posture. Securus360 helps districts stay ahead of threats, where visibility matters most. Learn more at Securus360.com.